demo. Thank you all for taking out the time to come for the demo. This is the newest Rotimatic Next, which is 30% smaller than the Rotimatic Plus. As you can see, currently it is being on for the last 5 minutes. It is not noisy, it is a very silent machine. And we are in the process of making roti. They are supposed to be more thinner than the previous version. And there
Is it softer than the previous version?
Yes, it is pretty soft than the previous version too. And you have various textures that you can choose. You can go from thinnest to the thickest. You can go from the light roast to the heavy roast. You can decide the quantity of oil you want to use. I go with the lowest oil mode because I do not use oil in my chapatis, but still they are softer than the previous version.
So Madhu, do you mean it is working or it is still going on?
Yes, it is working.
There's no noise at all.
Yeah, that's
With the first version, we know.
Yeah, I have a Rotimatic
Based
Plus.
on the music, you
And
know
it's
it is
so
starting.
noisy. Everyone in the house knows I'm making
Yes,
roti.
that is one of the latest models or say upgrades of the Rotimatic Next. And this is all AI integrated. So the way you make your rotis, your AI is going to learn from it and keep improving on it. Currently this comes with 24 inbuilt recipes. And over the year, we're going to have 26 new more recipes integrated, which is going to help you even make rotis with millets and gluten-free rotis
So we
too.
can use all kind of flour.
Yes, so they are kind of adjusting the machine to what atta you have. Compared to the Rotimatic Plus, there are more options of atta choices. If we go to the settings, over here you will see a list of attas. We are also trying to integrate the Vanikasi atta, which is widely available in Costco. That was one thing that we have requested them. So we are working on that too. This is almost like the beta version, which is like the first version among the first 10 machines that we have been able to get it. So thank you, Rotimatic.
Yeah. So
And
Is this Wi-Fi friendly? Is this Wi-Fi friendly?
Yeah, you the
It is.
first one is that Wi-Fi.
This is very Wi-Fi friendly. All your updates will be over the air. The moment you put it on and it's on Wi-Fi, it keeps updating the recipes, the firmware, everything. They are also coming up with newer model, like the newer way of adding water and oil and everything. And let's see how the rotis come out. Yes, there is an option of making puris right now. So among the 24 recipes, you can make puris in two sizes, which is a small and a big puri. And right now, what it's doing is we are doing is a classic roti. I've gone with the least amount of oil, highest toast level, and lowest, like the thinnest possible way. So let's see. Like right now, it's making the roti, but you can taste there is no noise at all.
Cannot hear.
They are our sponsors?
Yes, they are our
How exciting!
There are event sponsors.
event sponsors.
Oh, that's very nice.
And after this event, we also have one challenge.
Yeah, where one person
Excited! How many
getting a
times
free
did I actually register?
We have for 25 dads in our
That's so cool!
So we are wishing them all the best. There we go.
So that's why if you see when the flour container is big.
Yeah. The first one is super duper nice.
Yeah, for 5 rotis we have
So
to
right
change it
now
right
this
now.
can take up to about 400 grams of flour. There is an option of if you want to add salt, you can add about 10 to 12 grams of salt to your water, so that the machine doesn't get disturbed. And also there's an option very soon they'll be also introducing how to make paratha.
All of that is
With the measurement
Can we adjust the crispiness more softly?
Yes, there are three
thickness.
options. You can go from the lowest toast to the highest toast. So there are three options. You can go from the
When I see Madhu, all of them are black. Do they come in different
yes,
colors?
they are in two colors. It's a white and a black option. Currently we have only blacks, but white. If you want for a white, you can choose.
Yeah, white is I think the classic version white.
And since you all are at Cleveland Moms for Moms Party, they are also putting in a $300 discount. People who have existing machines, you guys can upgrade for a better discount. Oh, wow. Yeah, please reach out to Rotimatic if you all are interested.
That is so
Yeah, error आ रहा है.
Not a single roti.
enjoyable though. Yeah, you know, enjoyable though.
So give me the oil.
warms it up.
We try cooking 5 minutes. After that, for every minute.
आता बड़ी बंद कर दी हमारे फ्रेंड का मन बड़ी
That's it.
So this actually takes about 2 minutes depending upon how frequently you use it. If it is pretty prepped up, within 2 minutes you'll get like 3-4
नहीं
cookies.
टिम्बल
But if like you don't use it very often, then it does take a time like maybe 5 minutes just to prep it up and heat it up, and thereafter it should be good.
Maybe from the time it's turned on.
Yeah, 5 minutes to 6 minutes, depending upon how often you use it.
I'm most excited with the paratha part.
Yeah.
Or the puri option.
Thank you, Madhu. Thank you for the demo. Thank you,
Saloni people.
Has a single roti come out yet?
No.
Need let us start.
Where is the Sakshi? Sakshi,
Guys, ये देख के जाओ.
Yes, please turn on.
हाँ मना जी
Dough is stuck there.
ये रेस्टोरेंट को संतुलन का बाजू में से डाला कि इसको 5 जने इसको नहीं देना कुछ आइडिया नहीं. So roti didn't come out yet.
No, we have to wait.
ओके
Got error.
The thing is,
I connected this one just
turn this on also.
I think it's making, it's moving.
Hi, Khushbu, how are you? But you see, the doors are closed.
I have older version, so I'm curious to see.
Yeah, it is actually better than the older version. Easier cleaning options.
I have the bulky one.
Yeah, the bulky one, like I can just
The
open
first
this.
one, right? The first one.
I can just open this, and this is the kicker. I can take out the kicker and then just start cleaning. This is just like a press button here. Release the dough holder. So it's much easier than the previous versions.
हम बंद कर
And this is also pretty safe because it has a lot of safety options. If the door is open, then if the door is open, please close it. Yeah, the door behind is open, it is safe. Please close the door behind. Very easy cleaning.
I'm thinking of gifting my son.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you can take the benefit of this.
Yeah.
Excuse me, please.
Very soon it's going to come up with like, you can make ragi, bajra, everything. All kind of millets and doughs will be incorporated.
and for the but honestly,
Yeah, you can make ragi.
He's watching now.
oh yeah.
Yeah, this is very good.
One bedroom apartment.
Yeah, for that, like, it takes very less table space compared to the previous one. So that's what is coming out now. You can see it's hot, and if you see it's not as hot as the previous ones. So the previous ones were very hot. So this is not even hot.
How long does it take to get one roti?
It usually, like if it is fully warmed up and prepped up, a minute each roti.
Okay, our current version it takes 1 minute 40 seconds for one roti to the next.
No. Once this is prepped up, it takes faster. But only thing is like moving these machines, we had to move them.
Yeah, it's
from
very
one-
lightweight, she said.
Yeah, I carried it on my
She
own.
can carry.
Yeah, that we have.
Ours is like-
It is very heavy.
पुराना टीवी जैसे था ना वो बल्कि बल.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah, this is
This is so sleek.
this
Yeah,
very
it's
sleek.
very pretty actually.
So are you like a roti
थोड़ा अंदर गए
employee?
आप भी आ
No, I'm
जाइए
not a roti
No,
making
they-
employee, but since they are
आपकी आवाज़ है कि
our
coming.
ओके ठीक
event
है
sponsors, we are trying. We were trained to demo for them.
And they have offer today.
Yeah, we have an offer of $300 off, and even if we are trading
How
up
much
your,
is the regular price?
it's about 1900.
19. complete 300 off.
And we can exchange as well, right? With old one?
Yes.
So where
So
will
it's
we get all
1600?
this information?
It's there on our website.
I want to exchange my old one and
Yeah.
I want to get new one.
I think you'll get more benefit on exchanging.
You can trade in
You can go
offers,
to
you can trade in offers.
bombsforbums.org and they have everything there. You can order from there.
I would love to see it, how clean it's.
You have this kept outside, like wrapped with aluminum foil.
It just tastes
Yeah, because previous one, it's immediately like chewy, right?
No,
No, this is not that chewy.
if I keep this, casserole like half an hour, after half an hour, obviously if you want to put oil, ghee or whatever you want, it is better. Softer than the usual one. Your options are when making cookies.
And
See, so the
this noise.
first roti is already done, it's working on the second one. So it's pretty quick, but only thing is it needs to fire up. Once it's fired up,
Yeah.
Does it have a tray or we have
no, we have to keep the plate.
a previous one? They have
Yes. Yeah, this one doesn't.
What is the price for this?
This is about $1,900.
Okay,
And then today, if you order, you get about 300 off. So
1600.
the coupon code is there on the website. You can check it out. And yes, they did promise that if you exchange your old model, they do have a